Hey YouTube, we are leaving Veterans Memorial Campground in
Veterans Memorial State Park.
You guys know I never get the name right ever.
in America, I guess Cordele. On Lake Blackshear. And we are headed to Americus to, not sure the name of it, but it's a LIV
LIV
RV dealership where they
and factory.
Yeah, well, they're made there in Americus as well. But we are headed over to look at some LIVs and see what we think about a plastic camper.
It'll float, so if there's a hurricane, we'll be fine. We'll just float right down the street.
But it is a plastic welded camper.
No wood at all.
Everything in it's plastic. The cabinets, the drawers, everything is made out of the plastic material. And it's welded. They're pretty neat.
They're pretty neat. We'll take you with us.
We'll take you along and let you know what we think.
Tell them where we are.
We are in Americus, Georgia, at the LIV dealership, LIV, checking out these plastic campers.
Which are pretty nice.
Pretty neat.
I love that they do not have wood, so no mold.
Yeah, no wood at all. Made out of thermoplastic. Not sure about that concept, but I love the idea.
Well, if there's a hurricane, we float.
Awful.
Ooh, that's rough, babe.
Huh?
That is rough.
That's just like a twin, dude. They float, y'all. See here?
They sure do.
I'm gonna call BS on that.
I think they do float.
You can buy a boat and a camper in one spot up here.
Buy one, get one. Everyone here has been so nice. They will build you one custom to what your needs are, and that's what they're checking on right now for us, because what we want does not exist. Actually, I kind of love this. Never mind, y'all. I'm not real sure how that happened, but I really like this.
It's tiny.
That would have to be something different. Like maybe put one of those not recliners, but the chairs that we talked about.
Mm-hmm. You could almost leave
that one back
the
there.
back one back there.
Right.
And then you could almost leave the,
He comes out.
Yeah. But your fender wheel's right there. That's over the fender wheel. You couldn't put much there.
I like this, actually. What's the bathroom look like?
Old bitty, I'm sure it's a width there.
Is it? No.
No, it's actually not. But
it's a full bath.
It ain't no big boy shower. You can believe that.
Go ahead and get in it, babe. You're in it to win it.
I'm wearing this bathroom,
you are. Guess what they don't have?
A sink.
A sink. So we're brushing our teeth in the kitchen, which I don't know how I feel about that. I do like this, though. Oh, look at all the storage underneath.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's got more storage.
And it's got, it does. And look, we got storage at the top of the bed, too. I like this.
Man, look at how big that is.
Oh, that's huge.
That is huge.
Here we go, babe. If Craig had his way, this is what we would be in, y'all.
Yes.
The only thing I love about this is that the air conditioner is right at my head.
tent on the top.
That's so cool.
And the screen door.
You have a little porch.
Wrap around on it.
I really like this. It would take us forever to set it up. This has the bunks instead of the dinette.
Mm-hmm. That's your refrigerator.
Right. Doesn't it work as a freezer too?
Yeah. Somehow. I don't know how to get in it.
This is cute. We couldn't stand up in it, but it's cute. No, we're not standing up in there. Look, there is an OG Clarence, but way nicer, way bigger. Baby, tell me what we're thinking about this one. It's a 201 QB, and they told us they could add a bay window back here where there's those peel and stick mirrors are that I just can't stand. Baby, does that recline? Because it's got enough room to recline.
No, it's got the foot.
I wonder why, because it's got room to hug the wall.
It's got the foot thing, but it doesn't.
It doesn't lean back.
Doesn't lean back. Which this ain't awful. I mean, it ain't terribly uncomfortable.
But it's butt sweat material.
Is it? It's more like fabric than vinyl, ain't it?
It's butt sweat, because when I got up from the one outside, it was butt sweat.
Well, you just have to put a blanket over it or something, lay a towel blanket or something.
If y'all are watching this, drop in the comments if you know what butt sweat is on a couch or a chair.
If you have a camper with the pleather, I call it.
Yes.
The plastic pleather, you know what butt sweat is.
This counter space in here is nice.
It's big. That's why I know that back there is nice.
He wanted to ask you if they were both the same price, which one would you rather have? The 211 with the slide or the 201?
Look at him. Hell yeah.
Whew, it was hot in there.
Woo, y'all, let me tell you.
Whew.
We just left the LIV dealership.
It was hot.
It was a little warm in there.
Warm.
Luckily, they were in. A lot of the ones we looked at were inside, so still a little hot. Warehouse environment type deal. A little bit warm, but well worth the trip.
So we talked to Wayne.
Yeah, Wayne was great. Super nice guy. Also talked to the sales manager. I don't remember what his name was.
I don't either, but I know Wayne because he stayed with us the whole time, and normally we don't like that.
Yeah, but they were
great. So nice.
Really were. Really good folks over there.
So, babe, what's the final thoughts on the LIV?
I'm not real sure. I think a little undecided on them. Love the concept of no wood. Miss Clarence here has allergies, and forever camper. The concept is wonderful. There's absolutely no wood, no rot, no water intrusion. No anything. If it does get water in it, you wipe it up with a towel and be done with it. And nowhere for it to go. Super lightweight pool. Which is the reason we were interested in it, because we're looking for something a lot easier to tow. But I'm not sure.
It gave me and I told Craig this when we were walking to the car, it gave me like an airplane vibe. Like the bathrooms feel like the inside of an airplane.
The rain.
bathroom. And it just, I don't know, or hospital-like.
Our biggest concern is we don't know if we can make it feel like home.
I don't think I can, and I'm good at doing that, according to Craig, but I don't know that I could do it.
Yeah, it's the concept is great. We're not knocking them by any means.
And I love a small footprint on the earth. That's important to me, but I just don't know that this is it.
We're going to do some more research.
Yep.
Not a lot about them on the internet, on YouTube or anywhere. There's some videos out there, but we're going to do some more research. Got a couple of more we want to look at, of course, before we make a final decision on what we want to do. But we'll see.
We'll see.